Let's see what's inside this. It's a dog. The dog at the dog house. The first one of this whole series. Here, the dog. Until has it. Okay. Okay, now we will unbox this second one. Let's see what's inside. It's Crayon Shin Chan. This one, so cute, huh? This is the mattress. This is the clock. 可以看到吗？ Oh. So basically it will work like this. He's going to sleep here like a baby. Okay. So unbox the third one. Unbox the ball. Unbox the ball. The third ball. Okay. This Crayon Shin Chan's girlfriend. Oh, I think it's the mother. Let's try to fix it together from inside. She's sleeping. This can fit inside here. A bit like this. Her mattress. Ellie 讲可以开掉它，把它装嘛，没有它。Okay, so a bit like this, she sleep. Next one, I think is her father. I can see his father, Crayon Shin Chan father. Let's open this and see. Okay, yeah, this is the father. So, what it looks like inside. Each of it has got its own compartment. So this is, if we take this later and we fix this. So he's now dissected. Okay, last one. So I'll put this here. The mother here. Crayon Shin Chan here. This is the dog house and the dog. Now for the last one, the yellow ball. Okay, let's see who this is. It's baby Shin Chan. Baby Shin Chan. Okay, put this here.
Okay, 你看。